Hey guys, today we're gonna make steak egg rolls. I have my steak, I have my cheese, I have my egg roll wraps, and let's get started. First, we're gonna cut our steak. Now since I'm done with my meat, I'm gonna put the meat in the bowl. Now I'm gonna chop my onions. Now I'm gonna put my onions in the bowl. Now I'm gonna cut my green peppers. Now I'm gonna put the pan on this fire, whatever it is.
Where?
Do it. Now it's time to put my butter. Now I'm gonna put my meat. I Ooh la 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 la. Ooh la la. Ooh la la la. Ooh la la la. Ooh la la la. Well, I'm gonna put some seasoning. Oh, dude. Now I'm gonna put some ippies. Now I'm gonna put a little bit of salt. Now I'm gonna put my green peppers and onions. Now I'm gonna put some cilantro. Meat is done. Now I'm gonna start my egg rolls. Put the egg rolls cover, and then I'm gonna put cheese. Now I'm gonna put a little bit of steak. And now we're gonna roll it right here tight. Then we're gonna put some water right here, and don't squish it because it's gonna be bad. Then you roll it again, and then up. This is what it looked like. Now I'm gonna put my egg roll in here. I love the color of the egg rolls. Like, look at this. Woo! Hey, this blue. I think the texture of it is amazing. You are very wrong. Hey, Mr. Rivera. I like the way you are very wrong. I'm gonna cut the egg roll in half. Woo! Look at this juicy boy. Woo! This look Busted. Okay, now I'm gonna try it. That tastes amazing. Follow Chef CJ for more videos.